All right, everyone, this is an instruction video for your third observation paper. By now, you all are very well aware of the standards and what you're looking for, examples, and the connections. I'm going to highlight some important things, and we look at it. The third observation paper is based exactly like the other two papers. This folder opens up on November the 25th, and your observation paper is not due till December the 9th. So you guys have enough time to work on it. I am hoping I will have almost all of them graded by that time. If not, please let me know. I am working as fast as I can. I have about 60 papers to grade at this moment, so just bear with me. So here is our observation paper. Your last one is actually an elementary observation, grade level range, give a pseudonym. You are going to use Booker T. Washington as for your report card. So when you click on your Texas report, you're going to put campus, you're going to put Booker T. Washington. You can put directly Booker T. Washington and choose the one that is the Wichita Falls one to review the report. So you already know how to go about doing that. The same thing, you're going to look for the content and pedagogy, respect and rapport, clear and accurate communication, student engagement, and conclusion. Remember, this is for 100 points. One of the things that I want to stress is the connection. You don't have to always make connections to teaching. You can make it to your own learning, career, life, as a parent, as a college student. So think about those things as you are writing this paper. Make it for yourself rather than just a general statement. Once again, if there are any questions, please don't hesitate to post. The statistics from Booker T. Washington will be used, but you will give it a pseudonym and provide a rationale. And the word limit for this paper is 1300 words. If it goes over that, I'm going to take a -10 out. Let's write concisely and write less. I'm actually asking you to write less. Isn't that great? All right. Have a great day, and I look forward to reading your third and last observation papers. It was really great to have you all in class. And remember, no finals. This will count as your finals too.